Hello, second grade friends. Today we are going to start our new unit over fractions. So we're going to talk a little bit about, today we're going to talk about equal and unequal parts. So your I can statement is I can determine if a shape is separated into equal or unequal parts. So you are going to be able to decide if a shape is in equal parts or unequal parts. Equal means that they are the same. Unequal would mean that they are not the same. Not the same size, maybe not the same shape. Okay? The other day I was spending some time with my friends. We were having some snacks and there was only one cookie left. So we split it with each other. I split it with my friends. I gave this piece and this piece to my friends. And I had this piece. They thought that wasn't fair. What do you think? Do we each have even pieces of the cookie? No. We do not have even pieces of the cookie, and that is something important that we're going to talk about in our unit in fractions. So today we're going to start talking about equal parts. We're going to learn how to recognize if something has been split into equal parts or unequal parts to help us get ready to learn about fractions. To be a fraction, you have to have equal parts. So first we're going to start out by reading a book. The title of this book is Fractions, and the author is Sarah Pistoia. People everywhere use fractions. Fractions show how many parts of something make up the whole. Fractions can help us be fair when we share. The candy bar is a whole right here. Let's cut it into two right down the middle. Now there are two equal parts right down the middle. Each part of a fraction. Each part is a fraction called 1/2. 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1 whole. Four friends have pie for dessert. How can they share it? Here's how they split it up. This way isn't very fair. Look how small this piece is and look how big this piece is. This way is better. Each friend gets 1/4 of the pie. They cut the pie into 4 pieces, so it's 1/4. This pie is cut into fair shares. It has 4 equal parts, so everyone gets 1 equal piece. Here are some other foods cut into parts. This pizza is cut into 3 equal parts. Each part is 1/3. This apple is cut into 2 equal parts. Each part is 1/2. This pear is cut into 2 parts that are not equal. Neither part is 1/2. Is this sandwich cut into fractions? Remember, a fraction must have equal parts. When you share, be fair. Use fractions. So is this sandwich equal parts? No, it's not. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to pull up Mrs. Hoffmeister's seesaw. And I have some pictures on here, numbered 1, 2, 3. So what you need to do is you need to say out loud, is 1 equal or unequal parts? Equal or unequal? Yes, number 1 is unequal. Those are not fair parts. This part's little tiny, this part's bigger. Look at number 2, equal or unequal parts? Yes, it's equal parts. It's cut right down the middle into halves. 1/2, there's 2 parts. Look at number 3. Is that one cut into equal or unequal parts? Yes, it's equal because there are 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's fair share. Look at this one. It's a new page. Look at number 1. Are those cut into equal or unequal parts? Right, those are unequal parts. It's a teeny little baby piece. If I got that piece, I'd be pretty sad. This piece is really big compared to that one. Look at number 2. Are those equal or unequal parts? Yes, that's equal parts. It's cut into 8. 8 equal parts. Look at number 3. It's kind of a cool design. Is that equal or unequal parts? Right, that's unequal parts. These pieces are much bigger than these pieces. Those are not equal. All right, look at my next page. This is a different shape. This is not the same shape we've been looking at. So let's look at this one. Look at number 1. Equal or unequal? It's a little tricky. It's equal parts. It's cut right down the middle. Those are the same size. If we fold it in half, those are the same size of parts. Look at number 2. Equal or unequal parts? Right, they're equal. Look at number 3. Equal or unequal parts? Right, it's cut into fourths. It's equal parts. It's cut into 4 perfect shapes. They're all equal. All right, next one. Look at number 1 on this slide. Are they equal or unequal parts? Right, those are unequal parts. Those are not the same size. They're not even the same shape. This one's not really even a shape. Look at number 2. Are those equal or unequal parts? Right, those are unequal parts. Those are not the same size. Look at number 3. Equal or unequal parts? Right, those are not equal either. This one's really skinny compared to this one. Good job. Okay, here is your worksheet. So this top part, you have to decide if they're equal or unequal. So you're going to circle the one that is the answer. Are these cut into equal parts or unequal parts? You have to circle the correct answer. Look at this shape. Are they equal or unequal? Look at this shape. Are they equal or unequal? Look at this shape. Equal or unequal parts? Same with these squares down here at the bottom. Are they equal or unequal parts? Equal or unequal parts? Okay, are they the same size and same shape or no? Equal or unequal? You get to decide. The bottom part, look at the directions. It says, look at each shape. Determine if the parts are equal or unequal. If they are equal, color them blue. I like to highlight and tell me, okay, if they're equal, I'm going to color them blue. If they're unequal, I'm going to color them green. Okay, I like to label my directions so then I know I read my directions and I know exactly what to do. So I'm going to look at each one of these shapes and I'm going to decide, are they equal or unequal? And I'm going to color them the correct color. Blue is equal, green is unequal. All right, good job with today's lesson, friends.